Situated in the northwest coast of Sicily, just outside of Palermo, is Bagheria, an ancient city full of magnificent luxurious villas, buildings, beautiful waterfronts, and specialty foods. In fact, Bagheria has enormous importance because it has some of the most beautiful historic villas in Sicily. There are so many cultural and visual wealths in this city that makes it a great place to visit. On this episode of You, Me, and Sicily, we'll show you around one of the hidden treasures of the island. Bagheria dates back to the Phoenicians, and as is the case in the rest of Sicily, the city was affected by the multiple conquerors. The current-day layout of Bagheria was built by feudal lords, noblemen, and very high bourgeoisie. One of the first noblemen was Giuseppe Branciforte of Butera, who came to the city in 1650s. He built the Butera Palace in the center of town. The Palazzo Butera is in a neo-medieval style with a small courtyard. Many followed suit, with a boom in villa building roughly coinciding with the periods of the Savoys and Habsburg rules in the 1700s, and it continued for several decades thereafter. One of the main streets of Bagheria is the Corso Umberto, lined with shops, cafes, restaurants, and the municipal building, plus some ancient structures. Among the churches to visit in Bagheria is the Mother Church, built by the will of Prince Salvatore Branciforte, grandson of Giuseppe, who we spoke about before. Another notable church is the Holy Sepulchre, plus there are many others scattered around the city. On the way to the Villa Palagonia, we stopped to admire a typical small market selling local products. The famous Villa Palagonia, built in 1715, is perhaps the best known in Bagheria. It is an unusual villa, also called Villa of Monsters. At the entrance, we were greeted by two monster-like statues. In fact, inside the property, there are more than 200 statues of dragons and other fearsome beasts. Legend has it that Prince of Palagonia, the landowner with vast estates, filled his mansion with monsters invented by himself. Locals thought he was mad, but everyone wanted to see the villa. And why not? Inside are spacious, elegant rooms with plenty for us to admire. The walls, ceilings, and floors are intricately decorated. What a visually unique villa this was to visit. The Villa Ramaca, again built in the 18th century with its imposing red carpet and luscious gardens, is stunning. The carpet laid out from the entrance down to the stairs makes you feel like royalty. The elegant villa makes a perfect place for weddings and upscale events. Are you enjoying this video? Please hit the like button and leave us a comment below. Before we go on, we stopped at the small local market to pick up some supplies. The products were nothing short of being top-notch at the small family-owned business. The green cauliflowers, of course, by us. We have the purple ones. The pomegranates are in season. And look at the tomatoes and kaki, which are persimmons. Over here we have some greens, some lettuce, fennel, and look at this impressive collection of beans. all types of beans and nuts. And so you can come over here and get all types of things, including bread and eggs, oregano, sun-dried tomatoes, local olives, great. Those beautiful bottles of wine too, huh? Panelle sandwich.
Pane con panelle, sandwich.
And for a quick snack, we got some typical street foods. And we've got the arancini, arancino, and this is the ragu, this is the butter, and this is the chocolate rolled in sugar. A few blocks down, some local pastries. Da Palermo?
Da Palermo, sì.
There's also the Villa Cattolica with the Museum of Contemporary Art dedicated to painter and politician Renato Guttuso. It includes not only his works, but also from other photographers and artists. There are several other luxurious and unique villas scattered around the city. Besides Guttoso, Bagheria is the birthplace of many well-known 20th century figures like photographer Ferdinando Scianna, known for photographing Sicilians. Film director Giuseppe Tornatore portrayed his love for his town in the multiple award-winning film Cinema Paradiso in 1989. Some scenes were filmed from around Sicily. Bagheria, off the beaten path, but full of unique and picturesque places to see. Thanks for watching this episode of You, Me, and Sicily. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you on another episode of You, Me, and Sicily. Ciao!